We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, and some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those in British English, because the American pronunciation is different. This is said as family, with an emphasis on that first fa syllable, family. In American English, however, it is normally said as family, family. So no, just two syllables, no middle syllable, no m syllable in American English, family. Although in British English, there is this m syllable in the middle, family, family in American English, or British English versus family in British English. Well, the other way around. Anyhow, confusing. I hope you understood what I meant. More videos here on how to pronounce English. See you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.